Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream and milk. First, let's start with ice cream. Begin by gathering your essential ingredients: heavy cream, whole milk, sugar, and your favorite flavorings. It's crucial to chill your ice cream maker bowl for a minimum of 24 hours before you plan to churn. Next, combine your liquid ingredients with the sugar, stirring thoroughly until the sugar completely dissolves into the mixture. Once your base is ready and chilled, carefully pour it into your pre-frozen ice cream maker. Allow the machine to churn for about 20 to 30 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it achieves a delightful soft serve consistency. After churning, immediately transfer the freshly made, soft ice cream into an airtight container. This step is vital for preventing ice crystals and ensuring a smooth texture. Now let's explore making milk. If you're starting with raw dairy milk, the first step is to source it from a trusted local farm. For safety, you'll want to pasteurize it. Heat the milk to 161 degrees F and hold that temperature for 15 seconds. Immediately after, rapidly cool the milk down to 40 degrees F. This quick cooling helps preserve its freshness and flavor, making it ready for enjoyment. For those interested in plant-based options, making your own milk is surprisingly simple. Begin by soaking 1 cup of your chosen nuts or oats in water for a minimum of 4 hours, or even overnight. Next, drain and rinse them, then blend with 3 cups of fresh water until smooth. Finally, strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve or a dedicated nut milk bag to achieve a perfectly smooth, delicious plant-based milk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.